Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna guide you how you can check DM on TikTok. For that, you will need to open your TikTok app where you can see this page on the screen. Now at the bottom, you can see various icons. Just you will need to tap on the inbox icon. Here you can see at the button near the profile icon, just tap on it. Then you can see that your inbox page has already been opened. Then you can choose any one of the account here. Then you can directly message this user on the TikTok, or if you don't want to direct message this user, then you can go back from the top arrow. At the left side you can see the arrow icon, just tap on it, choose any one of the user and you can directly message them, or you can also search from the search icon on the top right corner you can see, and then you can search any username and you can directly message them on TikToks. This was it guys. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you.